Hey guys, what's up? This is Pooja Jadhani, and I have coming with yet another series of something greater that we all want in our lives. I know it's a tarot page and it's a healing page, but whatever I am bringing up today will also bring you inner joy and healing within you. So, guys, I am bringing you a series of how to tackle weight loss, how to bring about weight loss in your life, and in the most calm ways, gradual ways, in the most coolest ways, by giving you all tips and techniques on losing weight. Yes guys, I have personally experienced all this in my life, and in the last 2 months or 2 months I have lost almost around 7 kgs, and that too with not of rigorous exercises, but planning my eating habits, planning my sleep habits, planning my diet habits. So I want to share with you all this beautiful techniques that I have followed in regards my weight loss. And this again being a birthday week for me, I want to gift this to you all, those who are on my page, and those who people also, those who are listening to me from wherever they are listening. So let's start guys with the today's session. So first of all, understand guys that weight loss is not a physical effort, it is more of a mental game. When I started my journey, I was mentally not, I was first not prepared that how could I lose so much. My target right now is also 10 kgs. I have lost 7 kgs, but I want to bring this up for you because I know I will lose another 3 kgs very soon. So why not, let's start, this journey with all of you. So when I started, when I thought of myself, for myself, that what will I take with me in my life ahead, the one thing that I got an answer is to my health, my active and good lifestyle. If I'm not healthy, if I'm not active, whatever I'm manifesting in my life will not, I will not be able to enjoy. Okay, so and I at points I felt very lethargic. I didn't feel like working, I didn't feel like doing some any amount of active work. Of course I was into my own healings and therapies, but when it came to me, I was not active for my own physical body. And one day I decided that enough is enough. If I want to grow, if I want to manifest huge things in my life, one thing I need to work upon is my body. So that was the highlight point of my journey when I started this. So I want you to see mentally, where do you want to go ahead in your life. If you want to go ahead in your life, plan your goals, manifest them, live a good life. If you're not healthy, how will you enjoy in spite of earning so much, in spite of getting so much, you're manifesting so much in life. So if you're not healthy, how will you enjoy life? How will your immune system build up? Like we are seeing, a strong immune system will lead you much, much in a greater journey and with a higher lifestyle. We are seeing right now, with the weaker immune system, they are not able to sustain life. So it's been an added on responsibility from my side as a citizen, that I, with my knowledge, I can make aware, I can make aware of some things that will eventually make you happy. It will make you aware of your body, and it will boost up of your immune system. So there are no scientific rules that I'm going to give you, yes, but I will explain you some science. I'm not a nutritionist, I'm not a yoga expert, I'm not any expert in dealing with anything, but I'm an expert in my journey. I will share my journey with you. So I'm going to bring in some tips and techniques that I followed all through this time, and this has made me very much active. Okay, so first tip that I want to share with you all is, first, mentally decide. Okay, mentally have a very, very, very strong vision that yes, I'm going to do this, whatever it takes from me. Once you are telling your body, once you're telling the cells of your brain, once you're telling the cells of your body, you're commanding, yes, just do it attitude. I am going to do it, whatever it takes for me, and then follow with it. if you do not listen to if your body doesn't listen to you, it will not listen to anyone else, and it's vice versa. If you don't listen to your body, it will not listen to you. So first step is like, first tip of the day that I'm going to give you: understand this: weight loss is not a physical game, it's more of a mental game. For my journey, it was like 90% I had to decide every day, Pooja, you have to wake up and do it for yourself, do it for your own body, no one else but you. This is a kind of self love also, guys, that we are going to give, to our body on everyday basis, because our body has been with us for so many years. We have been in our body for so many years, and now if our body also wants to desire to be feeling good, being happy, feeling rejuvenated via exercises, via food, via joy, via smiles, via laughter, then why not give it? This is the chance. So mentally, I wanted to prepare yourself today. Okay, or you may take 1 or 2 days more, but you please, those who are wishing to desire a healthy weight loss, they can start following my tips, and I'm guaranteeing you, if you follow all these tips now, you will start your weight loss journey. And weight loss is not just a weight loss journey, it's your happiness journey, because our happiness is also inclined towards how we feel inside our body, how we feel that joy in our body, the joy of wearing good clothes, the joy of wearing a smile in my face. Most people, they are obese but they are happy, so well and good, if they are happy with their body. Most people say, yeah, I'm accepting my body. That's also very good. If they are accepting, if they don't have any guilt about their body, it's well and good, it's fine, it's fine with them. Okay, but those who are desiring, I am seeing more than 80% of the people, they desire कि काश मैं पतली हो जाऊं, काश मैं पतला हो जाऊं, काश the diet plans always fail, the exercise routines always fail. Why do they fail? Because of the mindset. First tip is like, create a very strong, unbeatable mindset. We have heard the logo of Nike, just do it. Every morning when you wake up, the first time you open your eyes in the morning, make yourself remember, whatever it takes, I am going to just do it, and don't think of anything else. Your body will try to remind you of your past habits, of your past lifestyle, of everything good that how you used to just off the alarm and again sleep. Your body will go into past patterns, because body is meant to go in the past patterns very easily. But then to create a new habit, you have to create a new mental mindset. So this mental mindset, only and only you can build up for yourself. If not now, then when? And if not you, then who? Just remind yourself, if not me, then who? And if not now, then when? This is the day, guys. This is the point, guys. This is the moment, guys, that we have to create a change in ourselves. Start with our body, start with the mental mindset first. So more of exercising. Remember this, weight loss or a fat loss, that I would say, I would rather create this as a fat loss. But writing, I would always write weight loss, but it's a healthy fat loss that we are looking for, where we don't feel like we have turned pale, our skins have dragged, we are looking weak, and we are not doing people asking to, you have gone so thin, but see your skin, see your hair, see your body, you're looking like old. I am not watching for that type of weight loss or fat loss. We have to remain very healthy first. Okay, in order to create that health, you start with the mental mindset. So today's tip is like, start with a strong mental mindset, and then we will go ahead. So I hope you like this. You can write in your comments and how did you like this series, so that I get motivated to share more tips and techniques with you all. This is Pooja Jodhani signing off until we meet next time. Bye bye, take good care and eat healthy, stay safe.